Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I was gonna ask actually why the melachot and the circumstances, generally speaking, between Yom Tov and Shabbos were so similar. And I was gonna say if it was because of the additional soul that the person gets, and Baruch Hashem, the book kind of covered it, mentioned it. So yeah, that was amazing. So I have another question about the midrash. So in this midrash where it describes when Hashem offered the Torah to other nations, and that they all said no because they could not live in a world where they could not kill or steal or so on and so forth. Does the midrash tells the story sort of as an allegory? I mean, in such a fashion, in order to describe the reason why Hashem did not give them the Torah, or was it exactly the way it happened? Meaning, like, perhaps Hashem talked to a prophet among those nations, and that was the way it happened. I would just like to know that.
Okay, so technically, I don't think the managers discussed the technicality, how they would know, but if Hashem wants something to be known, everybody knows. I give you one example. How everybody know, like it's simple question, but have you ever thought about it? Like how everybody knows that it's 7 days in a week? Who told them? Right? It's not logical. So in the month, not according to Jewish month, not according to the not according to the lunar months, not according to solar months. That does not get even number of the weeks, right? It's 29 days, 30 days, or according to lunar, like 31 days. So it does not make sense. So how everybody know about 7 days? That's a good question, no? How everybody know about 60 minutes in an hour? From where, right? But it was divine will that Hashem is still in everywhere. And same again. I don't. I remember learning that Spanish, but I don't remember learning any technicality how they found out. But it's irrelevant because first of all, simple people could not have a vote. They even if they would want to accept the Torah, it was not up to them. It was up to the ruling party, whatever king and his advisors and all of the rich people, ministers, and they decide. They say, who needs that? So the whole world, and I see on this commentary, and this commentary I like on YouTube, on YouTube, different platforms. So I actually read between the lines what exactly people say, and I ask them questions, just a follow-up question. They give me answers. Very interesting. Some contact me personally. It's very interesting from different walks of life. Baruch Hashem. So and. So 1 second, let's see. So this, who are in charge with king, and they say so. They yeah. Now I remember. So these people who trying to look to understand the Judaism and Jews and non-Jews, Baruch Hashem, right? They say they always concerned about all of the limitations. Like limitations is the killer for them. So they think if they're free, they can do everything. So opposite is true, right? They control what they desire. It's a lesson for another day. But they control. They're not free, right? They control what their desires, and that's all the kings. No, we don't want Torah. We don't want a set of rules. The king said, "Look, somebody is going to be hiking that. I don't need that." So, but there are many people in this. Many people. Some people. I don't want to say many. Like some people in this nation, they want to accept the Torah, but they did not have chance. Nobody would ask them, right? So to these people, Hashem promised that it's going to be time, not in this generation. Sometime later, one of your reincarnation of your soul, that I'm going to give you opportunity, and you would be able to convert and become a Jew. So I promise you, and you're going to feel like special urge, like the whole country would not feel, but you're going to feel. And I have these people in the different places, like in some isolated places. right? Almost the whole city, like anti-God, or they for Yoshke or some other garbage. You understand? And there are only a few like special souls. How? That's how we just explained. And they have despite that they were were groomed and grew up in this environment, this disgusting environment, they somehow, it's not somehow, but because of Hashem promise, they found the true path to the Torah and to the kosher sources. It's very interesting. That's a promise of Hashem. What they're going to do with this information, it's a different story. But Hashem promised to give them opportunity. He gave them opportunity. What they're going to do, it's up to them. You understand? So that's why national leaders rejected, but some people said yes, we would want to, and they're given the opportunity in every generation. What they're going to do is up to them, and Hashem is going to guide them not to get in touch with all the clowns. You understand? But to kosher Torah, if they want to, they will they have this inner feelings from nowhere. And I people explain to me like how they got to Judaism, and they did not know that they're Jews. They found out somebody wants to convert, and the whole story, some people go through one bad conversion, another bad conversion. It's like unbelievable, and suffer so many years, and they truly want pure and honest people, and unfortunately they were meeting wrong people along the way. Why? It's a different story, but it's irrelevant, right? If they found the truth at the end, that's what it counts. Okay. Any other questions?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. Okay. It's a good question.